Hello guys, this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Alright, so in this video I'm not going to be wasting much of our time. I'll be going straight to the point. Alright, so before I explain this powerful strategy, let me quickly share with you guys the settings for this strategy. Alright, so yeah, first of all, going to click on this icon here. Alright, so after clicking on that, you can see you are going to be clicking on this here, and then you search for the relative strength index, which is our first indicator here. The period for this is 1, the apply to is close. Under the style we have 2 pixel, the color you make it the color of your background, and the levels you are going to set it to 15 and 85. Right, after that you click on save. That is all for the relative strength index. Now the next indicator here is the force index. Alright, but whenever you add the relative strength index, you are going to see the indicator window one being formed. Alright, so before you add the force index, you have to click on this one and then you search for the force index. Okay, so the period for this one is the period is 13. The method is simple. The volume here is thick, and the upper band is 3 pixel. The color, you can choose any color of your choice, but here I use blue. So after that you click on save. Right, now the last indicator here is the MACD, and you are still going to click on this one in order to search and add the MACD. Alright, now here are the parameters for this one. The fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 9, the apply to is close. Under the style we have the main, which is 1 pixel. The color, you make it the color of your background. Now the signal, you make it 3 pixel and you choose color red, or you can use any color of your choice. Okay, after that you click on save, and that is all for the indicator setting. Okay, now this is a very simple strategy to understand. Alright, nothing much. Now the condition number one before you take entry with this strategy is that you are going to wait for the red and the blue line here to get to the 85 level. Alright, so you can see this is boom 1000. Okay, so you are going to wait for price to get to the 85 level here. Now before you take any entry, you are going to wait for this blue line here to cross below the red line. Alright, so whenever you see that the blue line is crossing below the red line, you have to go in for just 3 candles. Okay, make sure it's 3 candles, don't go in more than 3 candles, guys. Okay, this is a scalping strategy. You just go in and you go out quickly. Okay, now you can see you go in and then you exit before any spike will come. Alright, so this is how simple the strategy is. Alright, so like I said, don't want to make this video very long. Okay, see, just this is a quick video. Alright, I'm kind of busy today, so I just want to make this very quick and simple. Alright, so like I said, you wait for the blue to cross below the red, and then you go in for 3 candles. Alright, it's as simple as that. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to go and backtest the strategy, see if it's working for you. Alright, before you go in with your live money. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Alright, make sure you go in, make sure you backtest the strategy for yourself before you can trade with it. Alright, and for those of you coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a simple but powerful strategy like this, you'll be notified immediately. I think that's pretty much everything for today's video. Alright, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.